Today we are going to make some protein-packed paneer curry. So let's start cooking. For that, heat 1.5 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add 3 slit green chilies and 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Saute the onions till they get translucent. After the onions get translucent, add 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it until you get rid of the raw smell. After that, add 1.5 cups of mixed sprouts and some salt to taste. Cover with the lid and cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 3 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped and cook it until the tomatoes get soft. After the tomatoes get soft, add 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder and saute it for 1 minute. Add 1.5 cups of water and let the sprouts cook. I initially added half cup of water and then realized that it was not enough. So I added the 1 cup later. After the sprouts are cooked well, mash them with a potato masher. This step is completely optional. Add cumin powder, garam masala and coriander powder to your preference and mix it well into the gravy. Now add 200 grams of paneer and mix it well and slow so that the paneer gets well coated with the gravy. After that, close the lid and off the flame and let it sit for 5 minutes so that the paneer absorbs the flavors from the gravy. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and your protein-packed paneer curry is ready. Try this at your home and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.